Make a great choice today with the 2021 Kicks. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.